Welcome to our updated guide on how to enable email notification reminders on Facebook. If you've been missing out on important events or forgetting to check your Facebook notifications, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll walk you through the simple steps to ensure you receive email reminders for all your important Facebook activities. Let's get started with the process. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these lines to open up a new menu. Now scroll down this menu until you find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it and then select Settings from the sub-menu that appears. This will take you to the main settings page for your Facebook account. In the Settings menu, you'll see various categories. Look for the Notifications section and tap on it. This is where you can customize all your notification preferences for Facebook. Within the Notifications menu, you'll find an option called Reminders. Tap on this to access the specific settings for reminder notifications. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch next to Email. Simply tap this switch to turn it on. By enabling this option, Facebook will now send you email reminders for important activities and events. This could include upcoming birthdays, event invitations, or updates from groups you're a part of. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled email notification reminders on Facebook. Now, you'll never miss out on those important updates, even when you're not actively using the app. Remember, you can always come back to this menu to adjust your preferences if you find you're receiving too many emails or want to customize which types of reminders you get. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay connected and never miss a beat with your Facebook notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.